Hi guys, what's up there? Today I'm going to show you how to make the real carbonara the way I do. Most of us usually ask me if there is sour cream inside carbonara. No, there's no sour cream inside carbonara. So today I'm gonna show you how to do the real carbonara. Check it out. This amount of bacon should be okay for 3 people. So there cannot be too much like fat from the liquid from the bacon, as you can see here. See, there's too much. This is going to be thrown. Voila! And the carbonara is ready. I hope you enjoy, guys. Stay tuned and just let's try do it.